Hey guys, thought I'd put together another video here on my probing screen, how to set up the probe. As you can see, this is my probe. It's just a common ground, it's all it is. 5 volts. I got my negative up here, my other negative on the probe here. This grinding stone, it's not conductive. In my case, I want to probe off of the table. So I bring Z up and I home it. It just backs off the home switch. Zeroes out Z. And then I'll show you briefly here what I do here. You go up to config, scroll down the tool table, and probe will always be your #1 tool, which is your Dantum/diverse tool. Diameter of it is 0.09. The height is 5.9405. And the height is measured from off of the home switch, from the bottom of the probe to the table. And I'm probing off of the table. And I'll show you how to go about doing that. And what I do here is I go down to my tab key and I'll bring up my Mpg mode so I don't have to wait for Z to come down, because probing it's slower, it's more precise. So I just bring down Z till it's approximately a ½ inch, 3/4 of an inch or so, thereabouts from the table. And right there will be good enough. And just go back down to your tabs key. And that'll make the Mpg screen go away. And then you just go down to the plate offset, which in this case I'm probing off the table. That's why it's all zeros. Just go down and click the arrow Z down, and it'll probe. It'll touch off twice. And I got it parked set at 1 inch below my home switch. It'll stop exactly 1 inch below my home switch. You could set that to wherever you want it to be. This is just set for easy tool changes. As far as height here, I have plenty of room to pull out my to change all my tooling for my collettes, whatever size. I mean, even if I wanted to put in the drill chuck, for an example, I would probably have enough height here to do it. And I'll go over other videos how to go about changing that too. The main thing is, a lot of people seem to make mistakes that I've read on various forums. You always want to go to your offset screen once your probing is complete, and that is tool 1. So you go down to tool offsets, and where it says tools, you just click it and push 1 on your keyboard, and then just click enter. It will automatically put in your Z values, which is a 5.941. And if you'll notice, up in my config, it's 5.940500, because I have 500 thousandths of an inch of backlash on Z, and I've already got that set on Z. I'm not sure if I've put together a video on that or not. As far as for YouTube, I got quite a few on my Facebook page as well. But in the next video, I'm going to go over how to set up various tools in the tool table. Them are all set differently, kinda, in a way. And what you basically do in this case here is you take your probe out, obviously, and the probe will be clamped to this. This is my block. You put in the dimensions of the block height, and the positive will just clamp to this, and your tool does the same thing. When it makes contact with this, it'll do the same thing basically as probe. That will set your tool height. It's just aluminum block, and I put tape on the back side, a couple layers of tape on the back side to break the conductivity of the table. But I'll put together another video on that in the future here, kind of give you an idea how this is done. Those of you that's not familiar with it, how to set the probe and everything. Always got to remember too, a probe will always be your Dentum diverse tool. Will always be your very first tool. Everything is measured from it, basically. Make a long story short, but thanks for watching. Take it easy.